Welcome to Dental Careers. My name is Ms. LaPlante, and I'm the instructor here. Here at Dental Careers, we would like you to learn how to become a dental assistant. Not only become a dental assistant, but we would also like to teach you if you would like to become a dental hygienist. We would like to introduce you to dentistry if you would like to become a dentist. We also would like you to learn to become a dental receptionist or a laboratory technician. Our main goal here is to introduce you to the terminology, the dental instrumentation, and the procedures that we use in dentistry. We are open to the entire dental field. We here at Prosser will teach you a lot, not only about dentistry, but we also teach you about the entire human body. We will give you instructions on medical terminology, which will introduce you to every system of the human body. We have a lot of certifications that come along with dentistry. We will have CPR certification. We will also get certified in first aid. And we will have our Indiana radiology certification. That will allow you to take x-rays in the dental field as a dental assistant. We also will be getting our National Entry-Level Dental Assisting certification that is available to you in your senior year here at Prosser. It will be a national board examination which will be taken through the DANBI, which is the Dental Assisting National Board. It is a highly recognized certification throughout the entire United States. We also do get dual credits here at Prosser. Our dual credits are offered through Ivy Tech, and they are 9 dual credits. You will be getting dual credits in your medical terminology class and also in your dental careers class. You will also be getting nutrition within your second year here at Prosser. Along with your nutrition, you will also be coming, in your second year, you will be doing work-based learning. When we talk about work-based learning extends more into your second year. It will be going out into the dental field and also going into dental offices. And that will be working with patients. Normally, our students go out 3 days a week, and they will be working in an office, chairside, with a doctor that will help them to learn not only what it is like to work in their office, but also to become a professional. Along with those, the doctor will help them to not only learn this profession, but also to further their career in the dental field. Here at Prosser, we are not only here to further you, but also to help you to grow. So along with us and our organizations, we would hope that you would grow and become the best professional that you can.